Think about the last time your team closed a big deal. Exciting, right? Now think about what happened next. For most of the team, this is where the chaos begins. Initially, the sales rep is the main point of contact, but as the project moves into delivery, multiple POCs are attached for different tasks. Emails pile up, and it's easy for ownership to get unclear. This is an internal team challenge, but it impacts customer too. If onboarding isn't structured, the trust the customer placed in the sales rep can feel fragmented when interacting with other POCs. Miscommunication or delay can make customer experience feel inconsistent. With Kickoff Navigator, closing a deal doesn't just mark a win, it marks the beginning of a coordinated, trustworthy, and efficient onboarding journey for both team members and the customers. We actually experienced this firsthand. When we launched our own app, Trackboard, our sales motion was flawless. Rigorous calling, countless meeting, and everything lined up perfectly. But the snag came after the sale. Customer onboarding turned into a maze of long email threads, multiple point of contact, and confusion around responsibility. That pain point was the spark. It's what inspired us to build a smarter, more seamless way to manage onboarding, and that's what our solution exactly deliver. Kickoff Navigator is our intelligent onboarding assistant built on Agentforce, designed to remove the friction from post sales hands off. It acts like a project manager that lives between Salesforce and Slack, making sure every new customer gets the smoothest possible start. The business value attached to these agents are many, but one of the few which we could list was definitely making sure that it maximizes the revenue and the reduce of cost. It actually eliminates the manual errors and makes sure that there is a very less risk appetite. It removes 30 plus minutes of repetitive setup per deal, freeing up your team to focus on high value tasks. Customer retention, where customer notices when onboarding is smooth, professional, and organized. It builds the confidence and trust from the day one. So what does the agent actually does? It starts from automated kickoff as the opportunity closes right away. It creates a workspace in Slack and gets the things going. It has an onboarding checklist for you to not remember everything on the go. You have an expert finder which can help you find the exact resource needed for that particular project. And then there is a centralized collaboration hub that actually keeps all your need at one place in Canvas. This is how our agent works. It starts with the automated kickoff step. The power of Kickoff Navigator begins the moment a deal moves from a prospect to the customer. Traditionally, this is the transition where the momentum gets lost. It's time consuming and often inconsistent to know where exactly to start the process. As soon as the opportunity get closed by the agent, as you all see, there is a Slack channel that gets created. The smart workspace creation is where the agentic AI kicks in. As soon as the channel gets created, there is another thing that gets kicked in as an action plan. The action plan actually is where everything begins. The true value of the tool shines is what happened immediately after the delivery of a clear, structured action plan. One of the biggest challenge team faced after a new deal closes is ambiguity. The sales team celebrates, but the delivery team is left asking with what are the first steps and who owns it. The onboarding checklist does help with all of those and also gives you a detailed understanding of how the stuff is done. The expert finder is where you can actually understand what all team members are available and can be added to the channel. The team spends hour asking around who handles this. Should I ping finance or do we know anyone who has worked in this type of integration before? As you see, here I'm looking for a Slack admin and my agent has helped me add Akash in my chat. And I'm going to go ahead and add Akash to the process. The last part of this agent is the collaboration hub. Once the strong foundation has been set up, team needs a space where deep collaboration can happen. A single place to track the documents, notes, project update without jumping across the multiple tools. This is where Kickoff Navigator collaboration hubs come in. At the team's request, the Navigator provides a Salesforce canvas, a dedicated embedded workspace designed to act as a project commander center. Unlike a Slack thread that can get buried over the time, the canvas serves as a persistent, structured hub where all the onboarding details live in.